everybody, it's John with One Over Outdoors. Got something special for y'all today. Got Christian with me. We're going to do some squirrel hunting today. Deer season's winding down here in South Carolina. I think I've got 2 more days left, but we decided we were going to go squirrel hunting. I got a new pellet rifle for Christmas, and Christian still got his old one. I'm going to end up getting him a better one more his size. He's 10 years old, so he's definitely outgrown the old Red Ryder he's got. But yeah, I ended up getting a Gamo Raptor Whisper. Pretty nice gun. The scope's junk, I will go ahead and say that. So I ended up putting a CV Life 3x9x40 on it. $30 scope, which really dressed it up, and it's a great scope for that gun. There's apparently a pellet shortage right now, so the only pellets that I've really been able to find around here are the Crossman Piranhas, which are a nasty looking pellet. So we'll see how they do. Still in that break-in period on the pellet rifle. I think they said there's like a 250 to 500 pellet break-in period, so I'm about 300 in. Groups are definitely tightening up on it, but not where I want them to be. But I feel like we should be able to get something today, so we'll see how we do. Hopefully we can kill some squirrels. I know this is his first time squirrel hunting, and a lot of us cut our teeth squirrel hunting, so it should be exciting. And you ready to do some squirrel hunting? So we'll see how we do. Stay with us. Y'all should love how dorky us YouTubers try to look for y'all. So here's the Gamo Raptor Whisper. It's a good gun. I feel like it is, at least. Load it up. Go ahead and make sure your safety's on, and go ahead and put one in it. Always make sure your safety's on. So these are those pellets we're using, little piranhas. Let's see what we got. There's nest. I hear one. Listen. Hey Christian, go around to the other side of this little group. Yeah, shoot up there again. Shoot up in this tree right here. Shoot up in that tree right there. Got him. We got one. It's pretty dang good. How is he? Big? Whoops. Look at there, Bo.
Never held a squirrel in my life.
There you go. All right, let's put him in your bag back here. There we go. All right, let's go get some. Hey, there's one right here. There's a squirrel. We're on day 4 of squirrel hunting. There's one over here. Yeah, there's one over here. Day 4 of squirrel hunting. We've been getting a few good ones here. Yeah, he's right here. There's 2 of them. Right here on this limb. See him?
Yeah.
Day 4 of squirrel hunting. Got him. Dang, dude. That was a long shot. Whew. Already starting off good. All right, bird dog, get in there and get him.
Which one?
He's right behind the tree.
Which one? Me?
Yeah, you bird dog. Look at there, y'all. Look at there.
Look at there.
Yes, sir, buddy.
You what, Papa?
Good female, big female squirrel.
This tree right here.
That one right there. The big tree.
Yep, beside it. Beside the big stand.
I see him. Stay right there. There he is. That's what I'm talking. Hey, he was sitting. Hold on, Christian. Hold on.
You know what? It's good we came back and looked. Right?
Yep, he was sitting on top of it. He's done.
Yep, he's done.
Used to do a lot of squirrel hunting over here. I mean, a lot. I hear some. And I see one right there, buddy. Right there. I got his butt. Got one. That's a thick stuff too. Did that stupid cat? I think the cat took my freaking squirrel. Yeah, and I think a cat just took my squirrel. I'm pretty sure this cat just took my dang squirrel. You got to be kidding me. No. Oh, never mind. I got him, Christian. Dang, there was a cat over here though. It's pretty crazy. I thought a cat took my dang squirrel. Get one loaded up. The sucker is right in front of me the whole time. There's one barking over here in this tree. See his butt. Got him.
There's another one down there. You got the one up top.
Got him. He's dead right here. He fell out the tree.
Oh, he must have went back up because I saw a squirrel going up.
Nah, this one fell and hit the dang ground. Oh, he's right here.
Oh, there's another one.
Look.
There's another one up there.
No, he's right over here now.
Oh.
Yeah, he's over here. Yeah, you want to grab that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good there, buddy.
Oh.
Yep. So what's up, everybody? I hope you enjoyed our holiday squirrel hunting. It was kind of spread out over a few days, but We've got the ones from today cleaned, and Christian's doing a great job learning how to clean them and skin them and gut them and stuff like that. And y'all be sure to look out for the next video dealing with squirrels. My wife's gonna be doing an awesome recipe, squirrel dumplings. And I'm tell you what, if you hadn't eaten squirrel's amazing. He's got a new pellet rifle coming. It'll be here in a couple of days. So I think he really enjoys this. But get out, do some small game hunting. It's a great chance to get your kids out and introduce them into hunting more. And it's enjoyable for the whole family. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Did you have fun? See you there? But as always, thanks for watching. God bless.